The boys went car shopping and they found this gem. Guys, we have this racing green HSV VX GTS. Jumping into the interior, this car has Colson bucket seats and it has a 6-speed manual transmission. In the engine bay, we've got a C4B LS1 with an upgraded head and cam package. It has also got an aftermarket intake and exhaust system from Extractor's back. It has Harriet brakes front and rear and has been lowered to give you that perfect ride height. We are also throwing in 10 grand cash for the lucky winner. This draw is capped at 2,000 entrants and will be running for 5 days. Entries are now open, so don't miss out on having this baby in your driveway.